Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Poonam Namdev Sarode. I am from Zil Polytechnic Pune, Department of Electrical Engineering, Division G, roll number 6. We are made by the micro project of applied physics. Learning objectives: the electric power crane. Our project guided by Professor Sandeep Agchore sir and Professor Rupali Maitre ma'am. In this project, my group members are Yashwant Gadde, Pratik Jondale, Abhishek Sirsat, Shruti Pancha. Project abstract. The objective. This project is for seeing how a homemade crane can move an item easily and move into a bucket also. It put the item into a bucket more easily than a person. Research. How the battery changes the wire to make the screw magnetic. The steel bolt, big metal and having wire. Wrapped around it, the energy flowing through the wire creates a magnetic field that travels along the outside of the wire. When you tie the two ends of the wire together, it creates an electric circuit which magnetizes the steel bolt. When I push the lever down, the steel bolt will attract the paper clips from the magnetism. That is how the battery charges the wire to make the screw magnetic. To pick up small cranes can have a big variety of different types of shapes of cranes. When the cranes were originally constructed, they were first made out of wood, but later on the started to be made out of cast iron and steel. In the high Middle Ages, harbor cranes were introduced to load and upload ships with their construction. For a while, mini cranes were used for constructing high buildings in order to reach tight spaces. The cranes with their early models have a changed and have made people's work easier. Purposes. Can the cranes magnetize a bolt so it become a magnet and will be able to pick up paper clips without the someone having to touch the paper clips. Hypothesis. My hypothesis is the crane will be lift an object of any short form, small to big, because if the charge is big enough so it would able to magnetize metal such as paper, clip or nail, but to that it has to have the screw act the magnet. I think that the crane make the process of the lifting a item is higher and also making the transportation use less a force. That would happen because when I know the charge from the battery would magnetize the paper clips, which would make it easier to just now lift the lever without having to bend down to pick up the paper clips. Procedure. We got a wooden box with two open ends. We also got a wooden easel. We put the easel inside the wooden. Then with the battery, we move it inside the box. Then we got wire to attach the screw. Then wire the ends of the wire and attach the ends of the battery. Then with the drill holes on the side, we slip the axle through the hole from the screw. We then put wheels on the axle, making sure they can still spin. We then tap to the ends together, which will give energy on either side of the wire. It will magnetize the bolt. Once you wrap the wire around the screw and it will be like a magnet so it can be able to pick up the paper clips. Observation. We notice the crane can lift a small amount of weight using the bolt that can only lift paper clip. We have also found how in the crane the two wires heat up when they are attached to the battery. With power flowing through the wires, it makes the wires heat up from the battery. When attaching the wheels, they had to be balanced out, otherwise it would start to drag the crane and wouldn't be able to move. Every time the wires disattached, the wires kept slipping out, which was hard to fix, but we decided get to new tape to fix the battery connection to the wire. The other reason it wasn't working because the battery was out of charge and types wasn't sticking to the wire. When both of them fell out, I put my finger on the battery and it felt very hot from the currents of the energy rushing through the wire and battery. With the more energy the battery has, the more power the more paper clips cranes will be able to pick up. We have definitely found out more about how the crane works and how energy can flow through wires with the power of a battery. Conclusion: testing out the cranes has proved that the cranes is able to pick up a paper clip that makes our hypothesis correct. The creation of a compound machine reduces the amount of work that has to be done physically by a human. Without the battery for the crane wouldn't be able to pick up an object and our hypothesis would be wrong. In conclusion, our hypothesis was correct. The crane was able to pick up the small metal object without using to pick up the object. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.